Hello, this is Carrie Claypool with your DIY for the day, and today we're going to be making lavender linen spray. Now this can be used on your own sheets to help you sleep at night, or it can be given as a gift for a newborn. A lot of times we don't want to put essential oils on infants, but you can spray their sheets or their room to help them sleep. You can also, spritz clothing, things like that, to have a nice lavender scent. So today I'm actually going to be reusing this bottle. As long as your spritzer works, you want to hold on to these glass bottles. They're really good. I had another label on here and I tried scraping it off and it didn't come off. So before I start on the recipe, I want to give you a tip. And that's to take a drop of lemon oil on any kind of glue or sticky stuff, or even maybe if you've had a Band-Aid and it has the sticky stuff, just one drop of lemon oil, take it over the sticky, and you can take a paper towel and see how it's coming off. And essential oils are not oily like olive oil or coconut oil, so you're not going to have to wash the glass when you're finished. You can just wipe it right off and the glass is clean and good as new and ready for a new label. Now if you're giving this as a gift, you can buy labels that have flowers or a little bit fancier, or you can print them off. Today I'm just using address labels. I wrote lavender linen on here so I know what's in my bottle, and goes on there real nice. Now for this bottle, it's only a couple ounces, so I just want a little bit of witch hazel, just enough to fill the bottle. And then I'm going to use about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. And this one has a white label, so that means that it's also can be used internally, so you can cook with it. I've got some drink recipes for the summer coming up that I'll be making, and I'll be using this lavender as well. So then we just want to top it off with water. And I don't have a small enough funnel, but it only takes a couple ounces of water. So we'll get that in there. And again, you can use this to spray on your bed sheets at night. You can freshen up laundry with it. There's a lot of uses. You can also change the scent if you prefer something else. So that is the lavender linen spray. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find me on Facebook at Every Single Drop with Carrie Claypool, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.